Howdy everybody and welcome to this edition of the Mad Squirrel. I'm Navigamer. Today we're doing a little something different. Today we're actually going to share with you why you should check before you decide to do, even if you qualify, some will, some might not, whatever, for the National Affordability uh, Program for the Affordable Connectivity Program. Now, many of you, this was a big hit when Assurance came out and they gave you the Orbit Q10. It's you got it in a box and it came with this happens to be a friend of mine's who realized what had happened and brought it to my attention. I don't know, how they ran into what they did, but after looking into it as a favor for them, I come to find out a few things that I think need to be brought to my viewers' attention, anybody actually, and then you get your phone, of course, and you have to go through a process of activation. But a few things I wanted to mention. This one simple thing that got my friend's family not into trouble, but kind of stuck because a phone today is a lifeline. It's your lifeline. We've become a society where we have to be reliant on these, regardless where you are in the country. And that's just the way we've become. So for many people, for whatever the reasons are, either they go off the map or whatever, for many people, this is their lifeline. So it's pretty important. But I wanted to share with you what my friend went through. And something, before you go through this, that you make sure you double check. Now, we're taking a look here at where you will arrive eventually. Regardless, when you do the application, every city, state it goes all through the FCC. It doesn't matter. You're going to go to what's called the National Verifier, and you're going to get a number, and there's all these things when you start your application, and this is the page you're going to end up. And what they're not telling you, and this is something that is crucial, is you only get one. You only get one basis. So let's say you have a Lifeline program, and Lifeline helps you with your internet. So let's say you have to have internet, and maybe you're homeschooling, or maybe this is just the internet in general, and you're on a fixed income, or you're on a situation right now, and you're getting a discount through the Lifeline program. And it really helps. It gets a good amount of money off, and you're at to where you can take and run a budget. When you fill out for the affordability connectivity, the ACP, you lose your Lifeline. That's it. It's over. And it is very challenging to get that back once you realize what's happened, because at that point you have to cancel. Now, hopefully they haven't sent the phone, because if that's the case, then you have to wait to get a return process to get the phone back before you can do your Lifeline. Your internet provider will be notified, and your bill will go to whatever the bill is for that program, be it $80, $90, $100, maybe even more, depending on what you have or who you have. And at that point, now you have to wait, and then you have to reapply. This page here will take you to a section where you have 3 months, and you have to see if you qualify. So you have to wait to see if you qualify, and you go through that whole process, getting a hold of your internet provider, letting them know the number. You'll be given a number. It starts usually with a letter, what have you, and then you may or may not get accepted the next time around. So now you have a situation where you lost your Lifeline application. You didn't lose it, but you lost the ability to have it, and you've already canceled the phone. So before you go through any of this is only for those of you who do not have one or the other. This is if you have an ACP already, like you have an insurance phone, and there's some other companies that are doing it as well. And maybe you want to do Lifeline, and you want to get a reduction of your bill on your internet. Can't do it. I mean, you can, but you're going to lose the phone. So it's one the other, and they don't tell you this. The affordability commercials and all that will not state this. They don't tell you this. I don't. There are some small print later into the the National Verifier program. I think they word it in some way, but they don't tell you. And then once you begun the process and it's already submitted, here it goes. And then you did know or you didn't know. You get a letter from your internet. You're like, why is my bill went up $60-$70? And then you reach out and it's you have to wait and get a hold of them finally, and they say, well, we received notice that you're no longer eligible for your lifeline, or your ACP has been terminated, or what have you. So a little hint, that's today's video. Something I want to bring to the attention to my viewers, and if you know somebody, maybe an individual that's on these programs, please share this. It just alleviates a little hassle, and it'll help you decide, what benefit you would like. You do, if you qualify, go for it. Absolutely. It's something to help, especially during these times. And just remember, you only get one of these programs. And so the ACP and the Lifeline are one together through this government. Um, uh, it's either, it's either you have internet or you have a phone, but they separate them, and the benefit only goes to one or the other. So hope this helps. And hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching me here on the Mad Squirrel channel. We always have something different. And please share. More than welcome to like and subscribe. Once again, no push. You don't have to. But hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.